When you unfold your morning with a cup of tea to energize mind and body, sometimes please think about the hot aroma you are holding. Come, let's explore the story behind tea.
As the morning sun stretches its golden fingers across the horizon, a ritual unfolds in every kitchen and tea houses around the world. It is the time-honored ceremony of brewing tea, a practice that describes culture and time, weaving a very refreshing aroma that connects generations and continents. The tea was invented in 2700 BC, which means around Egyptian civilization. China's second king Shen Nung invented tea. But the interesting thing is that this invention happened accidentally. Shen Nung used to drink boiled water. One day on tour of his kingdom, when his servants were boiling water for the king, accidentally leaves of the tea tree fell into it. Because of that, the color of water changed. The king liked the colored hot water that day, and he felt it very refreshing and energizing. Till 9th century China kept tea as a secret. The recipe was hidden from foreigners. A Buddhist monk Asai brought back tea tree seeds from a pilgrimage to China. He planted these seeds on the island of Kyushu and around the monasteries of Hakata. Then Japan's path to tea began. The secret of China got revealed by the monk to Japan and had been told to them about tea. Now, along with China, even Japan got habituated to tea. From Japan, tea reached Europe in about 16th century.
India got the taste of tea pretty late. A foreigner noticed in 1815 that people of Assam region make something like tea from local growing plants. After that, in 1832, Major Robert Bruce, who worked in East India Company, met the king of Singpho tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. Bruce fell ill, then the tribal king offered him tea as medicine. Major Robert Bruce sent the tea plant to East India Company's botanical garden for examination twice, and tea plant was identified around Christmas, and it was named assamtea. Scientifically, it was called Camellia sinensis. The Englishman got another business idea. Coincidentally, in 1834, when the monopoly of East India Company's trade got over with China, then they looked towards India. East India Company made a tea company to find a land suitable for the production of tea leaves. Englishmen had already chosen Assam. Along with that, production began in Calcutta as well. In 1835, Robert Bruce's brother Charles Bruce was made superintendent of tea forest. Bruce brothers made a great contribution towards the production of tea. In the year 1838, 12 boxes of tea was sent from India to London, where it was auctioned. This auction was so successful that a new company was made named the Assam Company. This company made so much profit by the year 1855. The export of tea from India was worth £5 lakh. The English people ruled tea business under their control from East India Company. Britishers found everything in India, the land for cultivation as well as farmers to work.
Very soon, large tea gardens were made, and more than 10,000 workers were put to work in the production of tea. Slowly, in China, tea started fading in front of Indian tea. The aroma of tea started coming from every corner of India. Today, the three main regions that produce some of the world's finest tea are Nilgiri, Assam, and Darjeeling. After this, tea gardens were modernized. Huge tea gardens were made, and every garden had its own factory. The whole India became busy in growing and drinking tea. Not only this, after China, India became the world's second largest country to produce and export tea. In India, more than 3.5 million workers work in the tea industry. Tea tourism is flourishing in India. India produces about 32% of the world's tea. Numerous studies have shown that a variety of teas may boost your immune system, fight off inflammation, and even ward off cancer and heart disease. While some brews provide more health advantages than others, there's plenty of evidence that regularly drinking tea can have a lasting impact on your wellness. When you are choosing a tea, be sure that it is fresh. Commercially available teas should have an expiration date stamped on the packaging. Using loose-leaf tea may result in a richer tasting beverage, but tea bags are more convenient, so go for the one that fits your taste preferences and lifestyle the best. In addition, opt for teas that contain no added sugar. In India, generally 3 types of tea consumed mostly: the black Darjeeling tea, the CTC assamtea, and green tea. Darjeeling black tea is known for its unique and complex flavor profile. It often features floral notes, muscatel grape undertones, and a certain astringency. The flavor can vary depending on the specific estate, elevation, and time of plucking. CTC Assam tea is known for its robust and full-bodied flavor profile. It often exhibits strong, malty characteristics with a rich and satisfying taste. This bold flavor makes it a preferred choice for those who enjoy a hearty cup of tea. The CTC processing method involves crushing, tearing, and curling the tea leaves into small pellets. This results in a tea that brews quickly, producing a strong and flavorful cup in a short amount of time. This is particularly convenient for those who prefer a quick and robust cup of tea. Green tea is often celebrated for its potential health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants have been associated with various health benefits, including cardiovascular health, weight management, and potential cancer prevention. Which one is your best choice? Please comment. Thanks for watching.